hello strangers. It's been a little while, huh? I have been doing a bunch of projects, doing a bunch of gardening. I've been raising baby chicks. We had 14 again last week, and I have been staining cabinets. Ew, I hate staining. I hate painting, but it had to be done. My kitchen was like torn up, and now it's finally back to normal for a little while till I start something else. But tomorrow's my honey's birthday. I'm going to make him a coconut cake. This one I threw together several years ago. I had no idea how to make a coconut cake. So I just got a white cake mix and thought, I bet you can put some coconut extract in there. So that's all I do, y'all. I get my white cake mix, whichever brand you prefer. Get all your ingredients that you need to make it. And then just add a tablespoon of coconut extract. And then I'll show you how to make that buttercream icing after. And it's so good. You are going to love it. You're going to love how easy it is too. So like I said, I just have a white cake mix in here. I have my oven going at 350. And I'm going to break up some of these lumps that are in here real quick. Mine calls for 1 cup of water. It calls for half a cup of vegetable oil. And it also calls for 3 large egg whites. There are no yellows in this, so all I have here are just the whites. And then, of course, my tablespoon of coconut extract. I'm going to save this out because I'm going to need it for my icing later too. I'm just going to mix this up for about 30 seconds and then we'll turn it up. All right, I got all those edges all cleared off. I'm going to let this go on high for about 2 minutes. Alrighty. Now I'm going to make mine in 9-inch cake pans. I like to make it pretty. Unplug. Lift it up. I'm going to spray these with my baking spray that has the flour in it as well. Now, I like to make sure I get them done evenly because I hate it when one is way taller than the other. So I always measure mine when I'm taking it out of here. I'm going to start off with a cup in each one of them. It looks like it's going to be 2 cups. That's going to work perfect. Now we're going to cook these according to my cake mix is 23 to 28 minutes. So I'm going to stick it in there right now and I'll be back. I have gone 23 minutes and my cakes are done. So let's get them out and I'm just going to put them on this here stand, my cooler rack. That way they get cooler quicker underneath and they don't get all soggy. But we're going to let those cool for about 30 minutes and then we'll come back and make some icing. It's time to make our icing and I have a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of shortening in here. Gotta start the thing with some power though. Lord have mercy. I'm going to get these all creamy. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut extract. Scrape down those sides real good. Now I'm just going to add in my 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Just a little bit at a time. Don't want it going everywhere. Get y'all over here. All right, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. Since I did a lot more coconut extract in here than I normally would vanilla, I'm going to cut back on my milk just a little bit for now. It's still a little bit too thick. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of that milk. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to put just a handful. I have some sweetened coconut flakes. I like to get the organic, but they were out of them. I'll just get me a big handful. Dump it over in there. And another one. I would say that's probably about a cup. Close to it anyway. Mix that up in there. I'll scrape these sides down some more. And voila, that's it. All right, let's frost the cake. All right, let's see if I can get these cakes out of here without them falling apart. Woohoo! Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I don't care about this one being level. It's just for my honey.
Did you?
I don't care about this one being level. It'll be good. Now, let's put the next one on. All right, I need to get my cake filly. So something is different. I'm going to have to say this. Something is different. The cakes don't seem to get as fluffy as they used to be. Like used to, this cake would be really tall. Each piece would be nice and big and fluffy. And they just aren't anymore. They used to be so big. And now it seems like, I don't know, they just don't get very tall anymore. Almost like you need 2 cake mixes, 2 boxes to make the cake as big as it used to be. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all been having that issue too. Just don't seem the same. This used to be a really tall cake, and it just seems very small now. I just smooth it out on the top a little bit. And then I'm going to take some of this coconut and sprinkle it all over the top. You are welcome to smush it all over the sides as well. I don't care for that much coconut, so I do not do that. A little piece of husk or something. And then I just kind of mush it down so it doesn't try to fly off of there as easily. Kind of clean up the edge. I didn't get it centered real well. There we have it. This is a delicious, moist coconut cake made from a box cake. I will be back later to show you guys how good it tastes because I'm taking this to a friend's house and we're going to have it there along with the birthday boy. So, we'll see you in a little bit.